FirstCreditFix Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of FirstCreditFix, a professional credit repair service designed to help you improve your credit score efficiently and effectively. For more details or to explore this service, check out the links in the description below. In this video, I'll dive into its key features, who it's ideal for, and share my overall experience using it to help you make an informed decision. FirstCreditFix offers a comprehensive credit repair solution that starts with a detailed analysis of your credit reports from the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Their team identifies inaccuracies, errors, and unverifiable items, such as late payments, collections, or defaults, and handles the dispute process on your behalf. This hands-free approach is perfect for individuals who lack the time or expertise to manage credit repair themselves. One of the standout features of FirstCreditFix is its highly personalized service. They don't take a one-size-fits-all approach, but instead tailor their dispute strategies to address your unique credit profile. In addition to resolving inaccuracies, they provide actionable advice on improving your credit habits, such as managing debt-to-credit ratios and maintaining consistent on-time payments. The service also includes a user-friendly client portal, which provides real-time updates on dispute progress, credit score changes, and direct communication with their team. This transparency ensures that clients always know where they stand in the credit repair process. FirstCreditFix is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to rebuild their credit for major financial milestones, such as buying a home, securing a loan, or improving overall financial health. The service is particularly beneficial for those overwhelmed by the complexities of credit repair and looking for a reliable partner to handle the process. In conclusion, FirstCreditFix delivers on its promise of professional and efficient credit repair. With personalized strategies, a user-focused portal, and dedicated support, it's a valuable tool for anyone aiming to achieve better credit health. Don't forget to check the links in the description to learn more and take your first step toward financial confidence today.